How does the Caesar cipher work? The Caesar cipher works by shifting each letter in the plain text by a set amount to create the encrypted text. Now here we have most of the letters from the alphabet, which is A to Z. And now we've set the shift to 1. So what happens? So A is shifted by one letter, which is B. B is shifted by one letter, which is C. C is shifted by one letter, which is D, and so on until Z. Now Z is shifted to A because the shift happens towards the left. So A comes over here, so that's why Z encrypts to A. Now let us try example 1. How do you encrypt the plain text cab? Now if the shift is set to 1, C is shifted one letter to D. A is shifted one letter to B. B is shifted one letter to C. So the encrypted text of the plain text cab is DBC. Now for example 2, how do we encrypt the plain text encrypt? So if the shift is set to 1, E is shifted one letter, which is F. N is shifted by one letter, which is O. C is shifted by one letter, which is D. R is shifted by one letter, which is S. Y is shifted by one letter, which is Z. P is shifted by one letter, which is Q. T is shifted by one letter, which is U. So, the encrypted text of the plain text encrypt is FODSZQU. So, now what happens if we change the shift to 3? So now each of the letters of the alphabet is also shifted by 3. A is shifted 3 letters, which is D. B is shifted 3 letters, which is E. C is shifted 3 letters, which is F. D is shifted 3 letters, which is G. E is shifted 3 letters, which is H. And now, since again the shift is towards the left, Z is shifted to C. Now, what happens if we apply a shift which is equal to 3 to the plain text cab? So C is shifted 3 letters, D, E, F, so it is F. A is shifted 3 letters, which is D. B is shifted 3 letters, which is E. So, the encrypted text of the plain text cab will be FDE. Now what happens if we apply a shift of 3 to the plain text encrypt? So E is shifted 3 letters, which is F, G, H, which becomes H. N is shifted 3 letters, which is O, P, Q, which is Q. C is shifted 3 letters, which is F. R is shifted 3 letters, which is S, T, U. Y is shifted 3 letters, which is B. P is shifted 3 letters, which is Q, R, S, so S. T is shifted 3 letters, which is U, V, W, so W. So the encrypted text version of the plain text encrypt is HQFU BSW. Thank you.